Alrighty, Marcus, here's one of your 427s. Give you a description of this combination. Obvious Borla, beautiful polished setup. It's got one of our new SS 220 heads on it. Got a custom ground hydraulic roller. Got the front sump oil pan. Got your alternator on it, make sure it charges. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X. Great system. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3600, it's 458 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 537, peaks horsepower 578, really flat there, rated at 575, it's got a front end on it, so it's really good. So next thing we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you on the exhaust side, and I'm going to show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this little card here, looks like a business card. It's a USB card. Full of information. It's got all your engine specs in it, pictures of your engine being built, technical information, as you can see here, everything. So highly recommend, first thing you do is plug it in and look at it. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. The other thing, this tag will be fastened to your engine. Got your engine number, valve lash specs, oil capacity, balance wise, internal, external, firing order, any timing, if it's not a EFI. So hold on to that. Stay tuned.